Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope so you all are well and you are watching Multi-Tech Academy. Today we are going to learn the new version of Adobe Spark and let's see what happened in the new version. So first of all, I am coming into the Google Chrome and type here Adobe Spark, and now there is a new version of Adobe Spark which is known as Adobe Creative Cloud Express. I'm going to click on that website. After that, it show me express it quickly and easy, make stand out content from thousands of beautiful features. Okay, Adobe Spark is now Creative Cloud Express and it is better than ever. We have added new templates and initiative features, so it's even easier to create standout social graphics, videos and more things available in this website. And you can also download the web and the mobile version of that app. So we are going to start for free. After that, it show me the cloud looks like that. Okay, let's see what's happened here. Actually, Adobe Spark is known now. It is Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So it show us the new versions and the new features. You can see there we can customize our page from here, and you can see that the new templates are there. And there are try a quick actions. You want to remove a background and convert into the GIF and the video size, resizing your video, and many other features are there. Okay, after that you can see here the start from the popular template. There are multiple popular template which is not showing now, but the Instagram stories are there and you can pick any type of the predefined templates from here. And the Instagram post, you can design Instagram post, trending backgrounds, Facebook post-its and the posters. You can design different types of poster here, and the many beautiful things are here. You can design beautiful logos by using templates and edit them by yourself. And also you can download the iOS app or the Android app for your mobile. After that, you can design flyers. You can design colleagues, and you can design book covers, album covers, thumbnails. Everything is available. The more beautiful thing is you can design your resume, your CVs by using Adobe Spark, and which is known as the Adobe Creative Cloud. And the invitation cards are there and the menu cards, and you can also discover the latest versions, and you can learn from here also. So we are going toward our project, which we have designed in our last video, and you can create your own new project. And then I'm going to click on the custom size. Okay, after that, when you are coming into that page, you can design your own page according to the size. You can give here the width and the height, and you can give in millimeter on inches. I'm going toward the popular and pick a square shape page and click next. Now it is showing me here the new page on the window. It show me that add to your designs and added your design. Okay, got it. Everything is here. I'm going to change the color of the background to learn many things. Today we are going to design the chef logo, which is very beautiful to design and very easy to design. So first of all, I am going to take the text and add your text from here and write here chef. Okay, I'm going to resize this text like that, and I'm going to change the font size or the family of the text. You can change the color also. The more colors are available here, I'm going to take the red color and make it more darker. Yes, now it's take time to load everything because it is new, so that's why it take time. Now you can give shapes, features, and many other things. I'm going to give shadows of blue color, and you can change the geometry of the shadow according to your needs and desires, and you can also change the thickness of the shade. You can give the outline. I'm going to give the outline of dark yellow colors. Okay, the outline is there. So now I am going to change the family or the design of the text. Now you can see here there are a lot of different designs. You can see here, you can see this one, yellow tail. Now I am going to take the that one because this is looking so beautiful. The beautiful thing is that you can make it or you can design it properly. So the chef is here. Now I am going to search one thing from the Google is a chef cap PNG image. There are a lot of different types of chef caps here, and you can take any type of the chef cap. You can take this one also, you can take this one also, according to your choice. I'm going to save this image and let's see what's happened with it. And then I'm going toward the remove background website. You can see here there is a beautiful things are included here. I'm going also add a new text and write here catering service. Okay, now I am going to take simple text of black color without shadow or the outlines. Yes, this one. Now I am going to shutting down the shadows and the outline. You can see here I'm going to put it down the chef logo. And one thing is more, I'm going to, T is in capital letter and S is also in capital letter. So it comes here. Yes, you can see it is. Now remove background, upload the image, take that image. Let's see what's happened with this image. Okay, done. Download that image. You can see this image. Okay, I'm going toward here and photos, upload a photo and pick this photo. You can horizontal that image, you can zoom it, because I want to put that cap on E, on the letter E. You can see this. Now the thing which you are going to see is that the cap is on the letter E, but I want to change the layer of the cap to hide this cap behind the E. So here there is a layer of the text and I'm going to put this down and you can see the magic. Yes, now I'm going to click the cap also and resize it like that. And also I'm going to do one thing, make it zoom and rotate that image. Yes, now it's look fine and okay. Now change the color of the background. You can say there your chef logo is ready to sale or ready to download. I'm going to download the PNG format and the transparent. See there, we have done with the chef logo. It's very simple to design chef logo. Hope so you like that video and you enjoy the Creative Cloud Express. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.